Hello friends, welcome to dptutorials. Please subscribe to dptutorials and click on the bell icon for notifications. In this tutorial, let us learn how to prepare labor mobilization plan in Primavera P6. You might be aware of how the resource loading is done for a schedule. It is very much needed for everyone to know how many resources are exactly required week by week or month by month. Let us see this now with a small example. This is my sample schedule with some 3 activities, and I have loaded them with 2 resources. One is general labor resource and other is the machinery excavator resource. Okay, I have mentioned the number of budgeted units required as shown like this for both the resources. You can see here in the details section. Now, using this data, let us prepare the labor mobilization plan along with the machinery mobilization plan. Okay, before doing this exercise, make sure that you have assigned the right calendar to the project. Either it may be 5-day or a 6-day work week calendar. Now, from the top menu bar, click on Resource Usage Spreadsheet button right over here. Okay, now you can see the section got added in the bottom section. Now from bottom left section, apply the filter to show only the current project's resources. Okay, see now it is showing only the 2 resources, which is general labor and excavator. Now by pressing the control button, select both the resources so that you get the data on the right showing both the resources. Okay, see now the data on the right is showing like this, but the data here is in units format, but we want the number of labor and equipment to be shown in the timeline. So right click on the table and select spreadsheet options. Now click the checkbox calculate average and based on hours per time period. By selecting this tick box, this will divide the units by this number of hours to convert them into the actual labor and equipment count. So here in May, we require 11 labor and 2 excavators, and in June, we require 19 labor and 2 excavators. Got it? So you can adjust the timeline as per your wish to show either in week wise or month wise. And also you can print this report by going to the print preview and publish to all as a mobilization plan or manpower forecast plan. It's easy, right friends? So friends, this is all about the labor mobilization plan in Primavera P6. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, please give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe to dptutorials. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.